To understand the concept of noun, this basic format again it is required, because at the position of subject or at the position of object always noun will be there. So I want to say, actually you can't say any word that grammatically it is noun or it is verb until or unless you are putting them in this basic format. Okay, only after putting them in this basic format you can decide that it is grammatically noun or it is grammatically word. So why I am saying this, because in your grammar lesson you are having this concept noun as adjective. So some words most of the time you have studied them as noun, but while you are putting them in a sentence and you are writing or you are making a sentence, for example one sentence is given over here, ice cream truck is approaching. So here truck, this word is noun, ice cream, this word is noun, but here this truck is approaching and we are writing this word ice cream to describe this truck. So this ice cream is grammatically adjective because it is describing this truck. So grammatically it will be adjective. So it is very important to understand that the position of words, only after putting them in a sentence, only that position will decide its function, that what is the function of that particular word. Okay students, so here I have already described noun as adjective. Good morning students, hope you are doing well. Let's revise our yesterday's lesson. Yes, yesterday I told you about sentence and its kinds. Yes, today before starting this lesson I want to tell you something. I want to ask you something. Okay, first tell me, what is this? Maybe some students are thinking our teacher is thirsty and that's why she is having water with her. Okay, and maybe some students are thinking that this is half filled glass, and some students are thinking it is half empty glass. Okay, both students, like the students who are saying that it is half filled glass and the students who are saying it is half empty glass, both are correct, no one is wrong. Okay, so why I am saying this, because both are having different perspective. Yes, same thing, the perspective. Today I am going to talk you about perspective. While we are talking about sentence, we can see a sentence with different perspective. Like, to understand the concept of sentence or its kinds, if we are having the perspective to see its structure only, at that time we are having these three categories. Yes, a sentence can be divided into other different categories on the basis of its mood, on the basis of subject, on the basis of structure also. Like here in this lesson, we are going to study only the three categories on the basis of structure. Yes, here I told you in previous classes that in a sentence we are having basic format. The basic format is subject plus helping verb, verb and object. Yes, this is the basic format and it is required in all sentences to make a sentence meaningful. This basic sentence, here I am talking about again this basic format. This format is for simple sentence. But now, as we are learning in future classes, we are going to learn how to enlarge our sentences. We have to enlarge this sentence, and to enlarge this sentence we have to add some things in this basic format. Yes, to enlarge this sentence we will use conjunctors, and then we will repeat this same format again to enlarge. Okay, so now here, if we are using conjunctors and we are using these basic formats again in our sentences to make it enlarge, after that this basic format it will change into complex sentence or compound sentences. Okay students, now what you have to observe? We have to observe the conjunctions. Yes, after this basic format, the conjunctions which we are using, these conjunctions are playing a very important role, because if our conjunctions are coordinating conjunctions, our sentences will be compound sentences, and if our conjunctions will be subordinating conjunctions, our sentences will be complex sentences. Yes, as I told you, Conjunctors playing very important role, and only because of these conjunctors we will be able to identify the category of our sentence. Yes students, now you have to observe some examples. Simple sentence. For simple sentence we are having the basic definition that sentences with just one subject and one predicate. Okay students, that is called simple sentence. Now you have to observe this simple sentence. Fish are swimming in the pond. In this sentence, fish, this is the subject, and this are is helping verb, and swimming, it is object.